Hey, it's Sarah. Follow me in this learning adventure. A special hero today with Sarah, where letters C and K make the same sound. Let's see how Sarah can write letter C. Follow direction bit by bit to write C. Let's see how Sarah can write letter K. Follow direction bit by bit to write K. K is for cat.
Cat.
K is for kitten.
Kitten.
K is for car.
Car.
K is for kite.
Kite.
Matching the two pictures by Amazing Flip-Flop Matching Cards game. Cat. Kitten, match the second card. Let's think about the next card. Car. The final one is ready. Kite. Cat. Kitten. Car. Kite. Follow Sarah. Subscribe to Beehive channel for education. Enjoy and share the adventure.